What's going on, guys? Today this is going to be the fastest spark plug change on YouTube for an NB and NA Miata. These cars have 4 spark plugs located on the top of the valve cover, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it's going to be very easy to do. This is the socket you're going to use in order to get your spark plugs out. It's a 5/8, and it has this this padding inside in order to get your spark plugs out easily. And we're going to use a long extension in order to do this. This is the spark plug that you're going to end up using. This is the code. Use copper or platinum. Don't use iridium, because iridium, it'll run longer, but it'll run a lot worse. So use these. It's going to be 4 of those screws. 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, and 1 here. And these 2 can just get pulled straight out. This is what your wrench will look like when it's inside the car. You're going to twist, and then these just come straight out. And it shouldn't come attached and out like this. This is what the spark plug looks like when it's out. You'll notice at the top is kind of burnt and kind of worn away, and that's when you know you need new spark plugs. On all non-turbo NA and NB Miatas, the spark plug gap is going to be 0.04 to 0.044 inches, and we're going to use this tool to do it. This is the other tool we're going to use, and it's used to increase the gap of the spark plug. In order to increase the gap, we just put this tool inside like that and pull down, and that opens up the gap a little bit. To make the distance smaller, you take any flat surface and just push this against it a little bit gently in order to close the gap. This next part is optional, but if you want, you can put some anti-seize and connector grease on their respective parts of the spark plug before putting it in. Next, take your spark plug socket and the long extension and go ahead and put it on like this, and then you're ready to put it into the car. All right, so you're gonna take this and you're gonna put it just straight down in, like that, and you're gonna tighten it until it's hand tight. Don't do more than hand tight. Okay, we've got this thing hand tight in there. Next, you're gonna leave it there for a minute. Grab your socket wrench and put it on. And then you're gonna tighten it 1/4 turn. So right now we have it here, and we're just gonna go 1/4. That's it, nothing more. And that's about it, and you're just gonna do this for all 4 of them next. All right, I just finished putting all 4 spark plugs in. Next, we're gonna take some of this connector grease and put it on the very ends of each of these. Just like that. All right, once you got connector grease on each of them, you're just gonna put these all back into their respective slots. Final step, you're gonna take your screws and put them back in where they came out of on these coil packs. These screws don't have to be super tight, but you do wanna make sure they're tight enough that this isn't gonna fly off, but not enough so that they'll damage the coil pack. Generally, I'll just tighten it and just make sure it's not going anywhere, and then you're good. So yeah, that's it. Once you got your 4 bolts in, you're done. This is super easy. Pretty much anyone can do it, and I would highly recommend doing this to your Miata if it's just not running great. So yeah, if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe for more. We're gonna do a whole series on this Miata. We've got episodes coming out pretty much weekly on what we're doing to this Miata in order to get it all fixed up, in order to sell. And this is just one of the things that we've had that are really, really needed. So yeah, I will see you guys next time.